Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and well during this lockdown. Today I'm going to do a video on music theory again. And I'm going to talk about the topic time signature. And I'm also going to talk about bar lines and going to explain how bar lines are used in music. Okay? So give it a listen. Music is divided into bars by bar lines. The time signature, those two numbers at the beginning of the piece, tell us how many beats or counts are between one bar line and the next. We divide things up like this because it makes the music way easier to read. No bar lines equals to a lot of confusion. So here's a short piece without any bar lines. Let's try to fill them in. Before we do anything, let's figure out how many counts each of the notes have. So crotchets have 1 count, minims have 2 counts, and all semibreves have 4 counts, like this. With the counting down, let's look at the time signature at the beginning of the tune. This time signature is called 4/4. For now, let's focus on the top number. The top number tells us how many beats are there between one bar line and the next. In this case, the top number is 4, so every bar will have exactly 4 beats long. So after 4 counts, we draw a vertical bar line. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. And finally 1, 2, 3, 4. And now because this is the end of the tune, we need to add a special type of bar line. It looks like this, and we call it a double bar line. There you have it. We use a time signature to use some bar lines and make some bars. So now let's clap it together, shall we? Let's clap it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright students, now here's another song with the time signature 4/4. I hope you like it. 1, 2, 3, go. Sunday morning, I'm up at the lock. I think I'll take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. I've got someone waiting for me. When I see her, I know that she'll say, hey, 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 it's a beautiful day.
Okay, now let's do another example. Just like before, let's give the crotchets 1 count and minim 2 count. Now this time signature is 3/4. The top number is 3. This particular time signature is called 3/4. We are in 3/4 time. So each bar needs to have exactly 3 beats. 1, 2, 3 bar line. 1, 2, 3 bar line. 1, 2, 3 bar line, and 1, 2, 3 double bar line. Now let's clap it, shall we? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, students, now here's a song on the time signature 3/4. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright, you look happy to meet me.
Okay, this is fun, isn't it? Now let's try one more. Again, let's put in the count in. Crotchets get 1 count, minim gets 2 count. You know the drill. This time we're looking at a 2-4 time signature. 2 is on top, so every bar needs to be exactly in 2 beats long. 1, 2, bar line, 1, 2, bar line, 1, 2, bar line, and 1, 2, double bar line. Let's clap it, shall we? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay?
Okay, I'm going to play a song now on the time signature 2/4. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world.
I hope to see you all soon. Take care, stay safe, and stay healthy.